Assalamu alaikum. Myself Shahriar bin Talim. Our project is about designing a car safety alarm. So let's start. As you can see in the slide, there are five portions: introduction, objective, theory, apparatus, circuit diagram, and finally conclusion. So first, I'm going to talk about introduction and objective. So what are car alarms? A car alarm is that electronic device that is installed inside a vehicle for discouraging thief of the automobile or the content inside it, or for the safety of passenger. Car alarm function by giving out loud sound like siren, a pre-record warning, automobiles on horn, or combination of all this when the condition required for triggering and meet. Some of the alarms cause the headlights of the automobile to flicker for notify the automobile owner of the car stalling incident through the pegging system. For protecting an expensive asset like car, all the automobile owners should have effective car alarm installed. So now we have to understand the safety features in our system. So as you can see in the slide, there are basically four system features, or we can say that we are focused on. The first one is keyless entry. Most of the car protection system are available with remotes that serve an array of purpose. It is used for disarming and arming cars and unlocking doors. The next we can see sensor. Sensor we used in seat. As someone wants no seat pressure, meaning that there is nobody to start the car. Like if no people sit on the car is not going to start. The third one is seat belt. If seat belt is not put on the car is not going to start. And the finally remote start. With the help of mobile car alarm, we can start the car from anywhere with the help of mobile phone and apps.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm Hemant Surabhai, and thanks, Tanim, to give me the opportunity to represent my part. I will explain the procedure and the apparatus part. At first, truth table was plotted from scenarios when the alarm will ring. B for belt, C for seat, D for door was taken as selector pin to construct multiplexer. For input a special table was constructed from the truth table. Min term was found which A is 0. Then input was listed for 8 to 1 marks. These inputs are from D0 to D7. Table was created and all the min terms were circled for which the function was if two min terms in a column was not circled, 0 was applied for the input. On the other hand, if two min terms in a column was circled, 1 was applied for the input. If there was one circle in a column and the circle was the row of ever and ever was applied for the input, and if the only circle was in the row of A and A was applied for the input. In this project, we used the following apparatus. We used multi-SIM software, probe, multiplexer, NOT gate, and interactive digital constant. Now our next groupmate, MD Anas Khan, will discuss the simulation part. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello everyone, this is Anas. Our topic is safety alarm system and I am going to discuss about the circuit diagram and its simulation part. We simulated our circuit diagram by multisim. These pictures are taken from the simulation. You can see there are 4 inputs and 1 output. The inputs are door, belt, seat and key. The output is alarm. Here we used a NOT gate and 8 to 1 multiplexer. From the truth table, you can see when the alarm will be on and when it will be off. I am giving two examples. Just like the theoretical part, we can see both of the time the alarm goes off, when every inputs are on and when every inputs are zero. After comparing the table and simulation picture, we can understand that when the alarm will be on and when it will be off. This simulation situation proved that our car safety alarm worked properly. We also used a KMAP to demonstrate the system. That's all from me today. Our next presenter will discuss the result and the conclusion part. Thank you everyone.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Istiak Ahmed and I would like to discuss the result of our car alarm system. But before we begin, I would like to thank Anas Khan for explaining the circuit in multiplexer for our car alarm system. The car alarm system is one of the primary security for the cars and it is used in every automobile of the vehicles. The main limitation of our experiment is that it does not prevent theft. The mechanism was not added to the system. The circuit was supposed to set off as soon as the theft occurred, but since the construction of the multiplexer is not complete, it does not show. Even though our system has some flaws, we were still able to show how a basic alarm system works. So, in conclusion, we can say that the car alarm system plays an important role in car security. Modern car alarms are designed to respond to a variety of different security that threats can lead to a car theft or other car crimes. These includes the risk of a break-in via a car door, damage from impact, and even loud noise in the vicinity of the car itself. All these sensors are connected to the alarm's computer. This vehicle safety system includes automatic emergency brake, crash imminent braking, dynamic brake support, and pedestrian emergency braking. This collision avoidance technology detects vehicle in front of the car and automatically brakes if a crash is detected. So I would like to thank you for giving us the opportunity for explaining our car alarm system, and by this I'm going to end my presentation. Thank you.